Hey Guinevere. Hey Guinevere, can you hand me that pen that's on the table?
Oh, the pen. It's a bunny.
You don't see a pen on the table?
Oh, no. Oh, my God. Daddy, a honey. The pony. My baby pony. Yes, two ponies. Two ponies.
Really?
Two and white. Two. Who was them? And to home.
Oh, really? You got two ponies?
Two ponies.
That's so cool.
Hey.
What?
And a pony to me.
Little ponies for you. Where'd they come from?
You bought it to me.
Who, me?
You.
No, both me and Mommy did.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Mommy and Mommy too.
That's right. Because we love you and we know that every little princess deserves ponies to comb their hair.
Can I open it?
Sure you can.
Mommy, can I open?
Yes, sweetheart, you can open it.
Oh,